Hello everyone, this side Parcelo. This is MB102 breadboard module. So this is a power module. Okay, so this is the spikes here they put in the breadboard. Okay, so this is a switch button here. This is DC jack, USB jack, and switching module. Here we can switch by using this fuse to this fuse. Here 3.3 volt off and 5 volt. When this switch is center, that is off condition. If we are connecting this in this side, this is 3.3 and this state is 5 volt state. Okay, and this is the switch. When we pressing, the power module is on, otherwise is off. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share.